Okay, so today I'm going to show you a really cool feature on RamConnect. We're going to go ahead from the home page to our group. We're going to click on emails, and this will show us all our emails we've previously sent. If we go ahead and look at this first email, it says it went to 17 recipients. 4 people, there were 4 clicks, so that means 4 people, or at least 4 times, content from our email was clicked on. And over here is the really fun part. It says 76% opens, or 13 of the 17 recipients opened our email. So this is a great feature. You can go ahead, click on this thing to the right that says details. And from here you can see everyone that opened your email. This is a great feature if you send out an email, especially if it's something last minute and you want to see whether people saw your note. You can go ahead, click here, see who actually saw it, who interacted with your email. Just kind of like a cool little feature.